Hey, Gary Baker here with 30minutemarketing.net. Let's talk about how to make money with Clickbank and do it for free. In this video, what I'm going to do is show you how to actually build a real business doing affiliate marketing with products over at Clickbank. What I'm not going to show you how to do is to copy and paste and figure out some hack or short-term, make $100 a day, get rich quick scheme. This is real marketing, direct response marketing using content, doing content marketing, and we're going to get into it right now by going over to Clickbank. And Clickbank is what you see here on the screen. If you don't have an account, you simply just click sign up, enter your information. As you can see, it's 100% free to join. Now, there are some limitations to the countries, so if your country is not in here, I apologize. There are other marketplaces, so you'll have to check those out, and I will be making videos on those as soon as I can. So once you sign up, you go ahead and you log in. And then after you log in, what you want to do is you want to go to the marketplace. And then once you're in the marketplace, the best thing just to get a feel for what's going on over at Clickbank and some of the research that I'm going to show you here is I'm just going to simply leave find products blank and hit this little magnifying glass. And that's going to search the marketplace. And what that's going to do is just bring up search results sorted by rank. And you're going to see here some offers, research, and you're going to see average conversion. Then down here in stats, and I'll zoom in here, you're going to see initial conversions, recurring, rebill, and those are the things you want to pay attention to because those are the amounts that you're going to make when you first start making sales as an affiliate marketer. Now, before we go any further with that, if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, that is simply where you come to a marketplace like this on Clickbank and you simply click on this button here that says promote. And after you signed up, you'll have an account nickname and you simply click on the generate hop link and there will be a long link right here that you will copy. And you will copy that link and then you will paste, and this will be the only copy and paste method that I'll be talking about. You'll paste this in where you want someone to click when you actually provide them valuable content. Now, who is that someone? That someone is the someone in your niche. That is a group of people with a real problem that this product provides the solution for. So your content that you'll be creating will be in this niche. Again, that niche being the group of people that have a problem for the product that you're finding and you're recommending as a solution. Now, if you'd like to know more about the complete setup and a complete 12-step process, there's a link in the description to another video that walks you through every step by step of everything you need to do. This video is specifically about using Clickbank as an affiliate marketer to make money, and I'm going to show you some strategies here in this video of some way to do that for free and get traffic or find people or have people find you and your content so you can provide this link that you see here on the screen inside your valuable content, having people link on it, going over to the actual offer and making a purchase and you earning a commission. So that is how it works at Clickbank. And what you want to do again is focus in on the stats and the recurring. And then when you start actually making sales or you start getting hops, and hops is traffic, you'll actually see right here number of hops and you'll see your conversions and your refunds. And then you scroll down through here and what you want to look for is you want to look for something that you're interested in. And in this case, what we're going to focus on here in this video is the niche or the subject of the topic of diabetes. And you see one right here called diabetes freedom. But you can see here that the stats is only the gravity. So the average conversion here is $55.33, and they do have a high gravity. So it seems that this product is just getting started, so they don't have a lot of data. But we're going to focus in on this diabetes here and do some research in that topic or that niche and see where we can go with this concept of building quality content and really diving into this niche and really understanding as an affiliate marketer how we can help people with diabetes and what we can do with products that actually work and provide valuable information to people that have this problem and are looking for real solutions to this problem. So we'll go ahead and what we'll do is we'll go back up to the product here and we will search diabetes. And now you can see here we have some more products. Reverse diabetes. You can see here this is 2226. Come down here you see diabetes smarts. Now, the thing that intrigues me about Diabetes Smarts is the fact that they have an affiliate page and they actually have an affiliate support contact, meaning that you as an affiliate have someone to reach out to. Plus, they're giving you resources that you can use to learn more about this market and this niche and the problem, so you can do more to help the people that you're going to be targeting, and you can really understand the research they've done for you, and you can add that to your own research. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on this link right here. And again, that link is the affiliate page, and we'll go ahead and open that up. And what you can see here is they're welcoming you to the affiliate program, and they're telling you you can earn up to 90% commission on the front end and back end sales. Now, the front end is going to be that original sale, that initial sale that you make, and in the back end will be other offers inside the funnel, and also things like recurring, meaning someone will join a membership and then they'll pay monthly and you'll earn a commission on that every month. And then of course you should enter your details right here to get access, to make sure that you're on their email list so you're getting all of their latest information. But if you've already registered, you can click here and you can go ahead and go directly to the affiliate tools page right here. And that's what we're interested in here as an affiliate, learning how to actually use the information that the vendor that is using the marketplace Clickbank to sell their product, the information that they found out, because they've taken the time to go to the trouble and the expense to build this product. And then they're giving you that information so you can generate traffic for them. So basically they're paying you as an affiliate to generate traffic, to make sales, and they're paying you for your time and your trouble in the form of a commission. So what you want to do here is look at the promotion links, the emails, the banners, the ad copies. It even talks about paid traffic. We're not going to talk about that strategy, but this is something you want to look into after you start generating that high quality content that really resonates in your group and is proven to your free and organic, that being the traffic and the people that you actually find and get to join, that you get to join your groups, or you get to join, say, your YouTube channel. And then you can take a look at that. And then you also have a course review so you can look, and then you want to read the rules and understand exactly what you can do, what you can't do, what you can say. Otherwise, you could get booted out of the affiliate program. So you can go here and you can get all that stuff. Specifically, a great thing to look at is the emails. But what we'll do is we'll just scroll down, and you can see the details right here, and you can see the commission as well as the website. And then you just scroll down through here and you read and you understand exactly why this mission, their product is their mission, and why it's important to them and why it could be important to you. So when you're doing your research and your due diligence, part of that effort inside of your research is researching the product and then understanding the market. So now that we know about that and we've seen that, let's go about looking at how we can actually get free traffic. And traffic, again, is those real people, that group of people that are looking for information about diabetes and how they can help themselves feel better, get better, and whatever's possible with this Diabetes Smarts course and the information that you'll be providing them as well. So what we'll do now is we'll take this information they've given us and we'll go over and we'll look at Facebook, because Facebook obviously is still the #1 social media platform. All the other ones out there are great and you can look at them and you should look at them. But in this strategy that I'm talking about and the way that I'm going to show you is the way to think long term and to build a real group and to dive into a niche, learn about it, understand real problems that real people have, and this is how you build a real long-term sustainable business and you get to the point where you want to be, and that's making money online as an affiliate marketer, utilizing the best products that you can find on Clickbank. So in this case, we'll just go to Facebook, and you could just go up here to the top bar and just go ahead and type in diabetes, and right here is really what you're looking for: diabetes type 2 support group, diabetes self-management, diabetes facts. What you're looking for here is things like a support group, because in reality, what a support group is, yes, it's a group of people that are trying to help each other, but also understand that you are providing a real service as an affiliate marketer. Don't think that you're just out for the money, because if you're just out for the money, this is never going to work for you long term. Yeah, you might make a few bucks, put it in your pocket and walk away, but then you'll be on the hunt for that next thing and that next idea. Whereas if you actually take the time to develop a niche and it's something that you can do and you feel a passion for, and you know that you're actually helping people, you can utilize this process for a long-term gain. And again, you can feel good about it and you can make some money doing it by knowing that you're actually helping people. So what you want to do is you want to look at these groups that you could join and you could do more research. You could also, if they allow it, share your affiliate link by providing high quality content and letting people know inside the group, hey, I know about this product, this is what this product has done for me, or this is what this product is doing for other people. However you're taking that approach to generating that content. And then the next step is to actually develop your own group. Because you can see here, 5.4K members, 35,000 members, 35,000 members, 5,000 members, 10,000 members. So you can see this one is even more focused, type 2 diabetes support for women. So this is what you really want to do long term as an affiliate marketer, is you want to build your own groups and you want to provide that support and that content to real people with real problems inside of a group like this, because you are really going to understand their issues, and you could build this group and then the people inside the group can start generating the content and you can learn more about it and you can start generating content based upon their questions, and that just leads to more and more traffic and your ability to help more and more real people and make more and more money. Because the thing you're doing here is the oldest trick in the book, is you're actually helping people by helping them, and then you'll get what you want, which is the money that you'll earn through your affiliate commissions. Now I'm going to show you another way to do this, and it's going to be on a platform that is just as big and as popular as Facebook. But again, don't write off these platforms thinking that you need to be on the latest social media, and that's where you're going to find the people that aren't aware of what it is you're trying to do, and that's make money as an affiliate marketer, thinking you're going to find some hack or loophole or trick. That is not what this is about. This is about doing real marketing, using real content to help real people with their real problems so you can earn a commission. I can't stress that enough, that we're actually trying to help people. Again, the oldest trick in the book, help people by actually showing that you can help them, by giving them real valuable content and then allowing them to give you what you want, which is money in the form of affiliate commissions off of the product that you know that works, that you understand is going to help these people. So that next social media platform that I'm talking about is YouTube. And technically in the strategy that I use, I don't count YouTube as a form of social media, even though it is. I count it as a way to generate traffic for me to put my content out to the world and have people find me. Versus in Facebook, it's like you're going and you reversed it and you're looking for people, because people there are going there for a distraction and you're interrupting that distraction by providing helpful content such as support groups. And a lot of times people are going there looking for support groups, but the general idea of the platform from a marketing perspective of Facebook is to interrupt them with ads or with something on their news feed that gets their attention and takes them away from the idea of what they're there to do, is just to be entertained. Whereas on YouTube, being a search engine like Google, people are actually going and looking for answers. Now, we know that from the information that we found from Clickbank and the affiliate page, and also the information that we found on Facebook, we're looking for things like support groups and type 2 diabetes. So, how do I cure type 2 diabetes without medicine? How to cure type 2 diabetes, how to cure type 2 diabetes. So we'll go ahead and we'll click on that and we'll just start here with our research. And what you're looking for are things like this, type 2 diabetes reversal plan. And you see that there's an ad here. This little yellow box says ad. So you know people are actually paying money to get this information, again, to put an ad in front of someone. So this is a viable niche. And you're going to scroll down through here and you're going to do your research. And what you want to do is you want to be able to create content like this. And probably what you're saying right now is a lot of this is about diet doctors and doctor diets and physicians. And that is true to an extent. So if you look for a word like cure diabetes, you probably will get the majority of the results from doctors. But if you were to actually go back and to look at other keywords that they provided you over at Diabetes Smart and look at some of these other keywords and start searching for them. For example, treatment, prevention, medicines, management, tips. And you were to go here and just look for diabetes diet tips and take that keyword and go back and search it on YouTube. Let's go back and see what we find. So again, we're going to go here on YouTube and we're just going to search diet tips and food tips, and we'll just go ahead and search that. And you can see here now we have diet tips, Sing Health, Novo Nordisk, diabetes.co.uk, Liberty Medical, and you scroll down and you see now that yes, you're still seeing some medical information, but you're also seeing other channels like Diabetes Authority and other things that are going on here. What you're looking for, again, is the ability to create content that people can find in a search and drilling down. Now, this actual product is Diabetes Smart. So let's just go ahead and look at Diabetes Smart. And as you can see, Diabetes Smart actually has their own videos. So you can go here and you can look to see exactly what they're doing. And if you were to look at this, 10 amazing diabetes fighting foods, you can see that that video has 618,000 views 9 months ago. So a great idea here is to do more research. It's just click on their YouTube channel and you can see right there, they've created their own YouTube channel that actually links to their product. So you can easily model what they're doing. And again, this has 111,000 subscribers and you can see all their videos. And what you're doing now is you're just looking at their videos, you're looking at their titles, plus the keywords they provided you and all the information they provided you on the affiliate page. And you're going to model this information, this high quality content that is actually going to help real people. And you're going to do that and you're going to build your own YouTube channel and create content there. You're going to go back to Facebook, you're going to look at these groups, you're going to think about building your own group and joining these groups to actually get inside and really start doing research. Because again, you're building a real business, you're digging into this niche and you're thinking, what are these people's real problems? These real people, what are their real problems? And you're going to build content around that to actually help them. And this is the strategy inside, again, like I said, the overall 12-step strategy that you can actually get for free. Again, that link is in the cards. Click that, link in the description as well. Watch that video, understand the complete 12-step process that you can go through and everything that you have to do to build a real affiliate marketing business online. And also in that video, there's a link where you can actually get that training for free. So be sure to check that out. Understand that you're building a real business here. This is real marketing. This is not some flash in the pan, overnight get rich quick scheme. Take it serious. Be willing to put in the work, and if this video was helpful, give me a thumbs up. 30-minute timer right here. Click that timer, subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos just like the ones you see right here. Click those, keep learning, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.